Top 17. Car maintenance tips everyone should know, must-know secrets. Your car is more than just a machine. It's your daily companion, your road trip partner, and your key to freedom. But just like any reliable friend, it needs care and attention to perform at its best. Ignoring warning lights, neglecting your brakes, or skipping routine maintenance can lead to costly repairs and even dangerous situations on the road. From checking your oil regularly to monitoring tire pressure and replacing air filters, small consistent efforts can keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a beginner, sticking to these simple car maintenance tips will not only extend your car's lifespan, but also ensure a safer, hassle-free driving experience. Don't wait until a breakdown leaves you stranded. Start taking care of your car today. Tip number 1. Don't ignore warning lights. Your car's dashboard warning lights are like its way of communicating with you. They alert you to potential issues before they turn into costly repairs or dangerous breakdowns. Whether it's the check engine light, low oil pressure, or brake warning, ignoring these signals can lead to severe damage and put your safety at risk. Instead of dismissing them, take immediate action. Refer to your car's manual, run a diagnostic check, or visit a trusted mechanic. Addressing warning lights early can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress down the road. Tip number 2. Inspect your brakes. Your brakes are one of the most critical safety components of your vehicle. Worn-out brake pads, low brake fluid, or malfunctioning brake components can compromise your ability to stop quickly, putting you and others at risk. Pay attention to warning signs like squeaking or grinding noises, a spongy brake pedal, or a vibrating steering wheel when braking. Regularly inspecting your brakes and addressing any issues early can prevent costly repairs and, more importantly, ensure your safety on the road. Don't wait until it's too late. Keep your brakes in top condition for a smooth and secure drive. Tip number 3. Maintain your battery. A dead battery can leave you stranded at the worst possible moment. To avoid unexpected breakdowns, it's essential to keep your car battery in good condition. Regularly check for corrosion on the terminals, ensure the connections are tight, and test the battery's charge, especially before long trips or seasonal weather changes. Extreme temperatures can shorten battery life, so be mindful of performance during hot summers and cold winters. Replacing an aging battery before it fails and keeping jumper cables on hand can save you from unnecessary stress. A well-maintained battery means a reliable start every time you turn the key. Tip number 4. Monitor tire pressure. Proper tire pressure is essential for a smooth, safe, and fuel-efficient drive. Underinflated tires can cause poor handling, increased tire wear, and even blowouts, while overinflated tires reduce traction and make your ride uncomfortable. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and before long trips using a reliable pressure gauge. Always follow the recommended PSI found in your owner's manual or inside the driver's side door. Keeping your tires properly inflated not only enhances safety but also improves fuel economy and extends the life of your tires. Stay ahead of flats and blowouts. Monitor your tire pressure regularly. Tip number 5. Check your oil regularly. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your car, keeping all moving parts lubricated and preventing overheating. Low or dirty oil can lead to engine damage, reduced performance, and costly repairs. To keep your engine running smoothly, check your oil level at least once a month and before long trips. Simply pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, dip it back in, and check the level and color. If the oil is low or looks dark and dirty, it's time for a top-up or an oil change. Regular oil checks ensure your engine stays healthy, prolonging the life of your vehicle and preventing unexpected breakdowns. A little maintenance today can save you a lot of trouble tomorrow. Tip number 6. Replace windshield wipers. Clear visibility is crucial for safe driving, especially during rain, snow, or dust storms. Worn-out windshield wipers can leave streaks, make annoying noises, and fail to clear your windshield properly. reducing visibility and increasing the risk of accidents. Inspect your wipers regularly for cracks, splitting rubber, or poor performance. If they leave streaks or skip across the glass, it's time for a replacement. Most experts recommend changing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage and weather conditions. Don't wait until a downpour leaves you struggling to see. Replace your windshield wipers and drive with confidence. Tip number 7. Check all fluids. Your car relies on various fluids to function smoothly and efficiently. Engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid all play crucial roles in keeping your vehicle in top shape. Low or dirty fluids can lead to overheating, poor performance, or even serious mechanical failures. Make it a habit to check fluid levels regularly, following your owner's manual for proper guidelines. Topping off or replacing fluids as needed will ensure your car runs efficiently and prevent costly repairs. Stay ahead of potential issues. Keep all your fluids at optimal levels for a safer and smoother drive. Tip number 8. Rotate your tires. Tire rotation is a simple yet essential part of car maintenance that helps ensure even tire wear, better handling, and a longer tire lifespan. Over time, tires wear down at different rates depending on their position on the vehicle. By rotating them, typically every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, you promote balanced tread wear and maintain consistent performance. Regular rotation also helps improve fuel efficiency and reduces the risk of blowouts. Follow your vehicle's rotation pattern, front to back, cross, etc., as recommended in the manual. Keep your ride smooth, safe, and efficient by making tire rotation a regular habit. Tip number 9. Check your alignment. Proper wheel alignment is key to a smooth, controlled driving experience. Misaligned wheels can cause your car to pull to one side, create uneven tire wear, reduce fuel efficiency, and strain your suspension system. If you notice your steering wheel is off-center, your vehicle drifts without input, or your tires are wearing unevenly, it's time for an alignment check. Regular alignment inspections, especially after hitting a pothole or curb, can prevent long-term damage and keep your car driving straight and true. Stay safe, save money on tires, and enjoy better handling by keeping your alignment in check. Tip number 10. Replace air filters. Clean air filters are essential for optimal engine performance and cabin air quality. Over time, your engine air filter can become clogged with dust, dirt, and debris, restricting airflow and reducing fuel efficiency and power. Likewise, a dirty cabin air filter can affect the air you breathe inside the vehicle. Replacing your engine air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or as recommended in your owner's manual, helps your engine breathe better and perform at its best. Don't overlook this small but mighty detail. Fresh air filters mean a healthier engine and a more comfortable ride. Tip number 11. Inspect belts and hoses. Belts and hoses may not be the most visible parts of your engine, but they play a crucial role in keeping everything running smoothly. The serpentine belt powers important components like the alternator, power steering pump, and air conditioning, while hoses carry vital fluids such as coolant and transmission fluid. Over time, these parts can crack, fray, or leak due to heat, age, and constant use. Regularly inspect them for signs of wear, such as cracks, bulges, or soft spots, and replace them as needed. A snapped belt or burst hose can lead to engine failure and leave you stranded. Prevent major issues by staying ahead with regular inspections. Tip number 12. Stick to scheduled tune-ups. Routine tune-ups are like wellness checkups for your car. They keep everything running efficiently and catch potential problems before they become serious. During a scheduled tune-up, mechanics inspect and service key components like spark plugs, filters, fluids, and the ignition system. These regular check-ins help maintain fuel efficiency, engine performance, and overall reliability. Skipping tune-ups might save time in the short term, but it can lead to more costly repairs down the road. Follow the service intervals recommended in your owner's manual to keep your car in peak condition. A well-tuned vehicle runs smoother, lasts longer, and gives you peace of mind on every drive. Tip number 13. Check your suspension and steering. Your car's suspension and steering systems are vital for a smooth, controlled, and comfortable ride. Worn shocks, struts, or steering components can cause poor handling, uneven tire wear, and increased stopping distance. If you notice your vehicle bouncing excessively, pulling to one side, or making clunking noises over bumps, it's time to have your suspension and steering checked. Regular inspections help ensure stability, better road grip, and improved safety, especially during sudden maneuvers or rough road conditions. Don't wait for a rough ride to alert you. Keep your suspension and steering systems in top shape for a safe and enjoyable drive. Tip number 14. Monitor the exhaust system. Your car's exhaust system does more than just reduce noise. It plays a key role in directing harmful gases away from the engine and cabin, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. A damaged or leaking exhaust system can lead to poor engine performance, decreased gas mileage, and even dangerous carbon monoxide exposure. Be alert for signs like loud exhaust noise, a drop in power or acceleration, rattling sounds, or the smell of fumes inside the car. Regular inspections, especially if you drive in areas with rough roads or salt exposure, can catch problems early. A healthy exhaust system means a quieter, cleaner, and safer ride. Tip number 15. Plan for seasonal changes. Different seasons bring different challenges for your vehicle, so it's important to prepare accordingly. Cold winters can affect battery performance, tire pressure, and fluid levels, while hot summers can strain your cooling system and air conditioning. Before winter hits, check your antifreeze, install winter tires if needed, and ensure your heater and defroster work properly. In warmer months, inspect your cooling system, AC, and tire condition for optimal performance. Also, keep an emergency kit in your car, tailored to the season. By planning ahead for seasonal changes, you'll protect your vehicle, stay safe, and drive confidently, no matter the weather. Tip number 16. Keep your fuel tank half full. Running on an empty or near-empty fuel tank can do more harm to your vehicle than you might think. Keeping your tank at least half full helps prevent fuel pump damage, reduces the risk of fuel line freezing in cold weather, and ensures you're always prepared for unexpected delays or emergencies. Running low on fuel can also cause your engine to pick up dirt and debris from the bottom of the tank, leading to clogged fuel filters and potential engine damage. Make it a habit to refuel before reaching the empty mark to protect your car and avoid unnecessary stress on the road. Tip number 17. Know when to call a professional. While regular maintenance can prevent many issues, some car problems require expert attention. Unusual noises, persistent warning lights, fluid leaks, or sudden performance issues shouldn't be ignored. Attempting DIY repairs on complex systems like the engine, transmission, or electrical components without proper knowledge can lead to costly damage. Knowing when to call a professional mechanic can save you time, money, and ensure your safety. A trained expert can diagnose hidden issues and provide the right solutions to keep your car running smoothly. When in doubt, trust the professionals. Your car and wallet will thank you. Keeping your car in top shape doesn't have to be complicated. Just a little attention to maintenance can go a long way in ensuring a safer, smoother, and more reliable ride. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more essential car care advice. Have a tip of your own or a question about vehicle maintenance? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And before you go, make sure to watch our next video for even more car maintenance hacks that will save you time and money. Stay safe, drive smart, and we'll see you in the next one.